Hey, hello, this is Martin from Secrets, the channel for learning about trading and investing. Welcome to this weekly stock picks where we try to pick up few stocks for the momentum swing trades that's starting from Monday, the week that's beginning from there. So it's analysis of the stocks plus potential breakout, momentum breakout swing trades. So let's get into those momentum trade opportunities right away, very quickly. So Leyland, this is a chart here. It's a multi-year rounding pattern. The breakout has not happened. There is potential that it could break out from this, and that would give you a simple slow out. Volumes are above the moving average, which is decent. Momentum is rising up above the RSI 60, which is fair enough, and it's a rising trending on the ADX indicator. Momentum is tracking on the RSI. So it's a rounding pattern, beautiful. And normally the rounding patterns or the cup pattern, what do we call it? The target for that is the height of the rounding, the pattern, which could be very big, and that's potential positional trades. But we are looking for swing trades that can last 2 or 3 weeks max, right? So that's it. Ashok Leyland is actually the flagship company of the Hedging Group, the second largest manufacturer of the commercial vehicles in India, in the medium and heavy commercial vehicle segments, and the 8th largest manufacturer of beds in the world, right? 15th largest manufacturer of tractor company, something to be proud of. But technically, the charts, as I said, it's a multiple year, 2008 or something, 18 or something. Yeah, so the rounding pattern, carbon handle breakout has not happened. Potential for a breakout, and that would be really big, but no, you can either go for proportional or for a swing trades as per the charges. That is really at the moment, and the trend of the reasons they're bullish on the they're bullish on the both time frames, on the short term and the medium term, right? Both weekly and monthly, or weekly and daily, and also monthly. Also the moment is fair enough. It's getting the bullish zone. So the breakout candle alone would be the entry point at 168, and then 1:1.9, and it's near to 1:2. Risk reward, if you are targeting, it should be about 200 levels, right? That's where you can exit. You can target for that, or you can trade from there. Right? Any instrument, cash or options or features, whatever can be tried as per the capital size and the risk management technique that's here. So you can trade it if you want to further take out or book the profits. So because as I said, the potential for the rounding pattern is the height of the rounding cup, which can be much more than 1:1.2. What, right? So that's it. Swing long trade call for the Ashok Leyland, and from the auto sector. Charts, we already seen that. And then second one is Exide Industries. We know what Exide is all about. Battery. It's one of the leading storage battery manufacturers in India, and the company is almost debt free fundamentally. If you see, right, there has been profit growth that has not performed that good, but it's debt free, and it's one of the leading in this sector, and they're into lithium battery manufacturing and all those stuff, and electric vehicle theme and the auto theme. Auto ancillary theme, this can play out well. And let's look at the charts. Technically, this is something that the breakout has already happened. It's an inverted head and shoulder pattern. By mistake, it's mentioned here as a head and shoulder, right? Actually, it's a inverted, right? It's on the bullish side. So we correct that right away. Right. So Exide Industries, and we have the inverted head and shoulders. The inverted head and shoulder breakout normally can go up to the target of the height of this head portion, right? And that shows that even though breakout has already happened, there is still potential to move up to 240 kind of level. So the reasons for taking the trades is it's a candlestick pattern which is already breakdown, and still chances are there and for it to move further up. And momentum and the trend, the RSI and the ADX indicators are showing that it is in the bullish zones. The momentum ADX is the trend ADX is indicating that's the positive. DMI positive zones, right? And the entry could be at 217, right? And the exit, you can target for 2 40 there for about 1 is to 1.6 and 1.5 kind of risk reward, and the stop loss would be on 203, right? That's 10 15 points only that you're losing maximum, right? But yeah, just below the entry candle will be a stop loss, and you can look for 1 is 1.5 kind of risk reward and trail it further from there, in all the instruments, right? That's the second one, Exide, right? This is the second one. The third pick for the next week is BHL, Bharat Heavy Electrical. It's a flat-footed engineering and manufacturing company of Government of India. It's engaged in design, engineering, manufacturing, erection, testing, commissioning, servicing, and all of those in various sectors like power plant, manufacturing, erection, testing, all of those, transmission, industry, transportation, defense, oil and gas, and all of this. BHL is, it's a flagship Government of India company, and the charts are showing, what is it doing? It's a cup and a handle. The cup has gone, a handle reverse pullback has happened, and then it has broken out. It's already broken out. Bowling is also good, and RSI and momentum indicator for RSI is showing bullishness in the above 60 zones, and ADX is in the Demat Account zones and trending up. And so the entry could be 87, and the stop loss is 77, and 102 can be target. 1 is to 1.5 can be a good risk reward. And can be many of the instruments that you can trade. Right, it's a beautiful trade opportunity is there. It can be pushed also. So the cup and handle here on the BHL for momentum long swing trades that can last up to 2 or 3 weeks. And Exide Industries inward head and shoulder pattern, long calls, right, swing trade momentum opportunities. And it's finally the Ashok Leyland. It's a long call. It's a cup rounding pattern breakout potential. Right, those are the 3 picks, and hope you like this. And this is analysis recommendation. You can you should analyze your own, or seek advice from financial advisors, whatever. But this is for educational purpose. And then if you like the content and then it has helped you in any way, please subscribe and like, and then put in your comments and feedback. And we'll come back every week like this, right? If you want to have premium subscription services, click on the link below. It's all in the description also, and follow all the social media handles links that's provided below. Thanks for watching. Happy trading, happy learning. Bye bye.